So guys, common mistake when installing these PowerFlex subframe bushes for pressing them in together. It goes by hand or with the help of rubber mallet. So common mistake is the guys pushes it all the bottom and top bush by hand like this, and then trying to feed this through the top or through the bottom. But pay attention, then it depends, to be honest, it depends if there is like a coating inside of the subframe or something. The bushes squishes too much, so it has to be squished tight not to make any noise. So you lube everything plentiful with provided lube, leave some like excess oil lubricant in these grooves. So basically they provide enough, so just don't hesitate by putting it. So first mistake is putting together bushes and then try to feed a shaft guide, whatever you say, which goes in the center, because then you might chip, because you see it's not going. There is no chance you're gonna put it in. Well, there is chance, but the big chance is you're gonna chip the ends. Then it will collect the water, collect all like dirt and everything will come through the bushes because it has these grooves, of course, and you're gonna start rotate and everything will be seized and crap. So avoid this. You do this, make sure which way it goes. It's up to you to figure it out, and then you feed through the bottom. Of course I can't do it with one hand, so I will help with I will get some rubber mallet on it. It's difficult to film with one hand and show what I mean. I don't have my camera crew today with me. So basically you push in a bit deeper. It can go a little bit even more deeper. And then, look. No forcing, nothing. It went on. It went straight in by hand. So if you're strong enough, you have two hands, you might even push it in halfway. That's it. Easy. No damage. Try not to save time or just work clever. I done it with one hand. So please do not damage customers' expensive parts by installing them incorrectly. So now there is no gap between the bushes, and there is no damage on inside of the bush. And look how the oil squeezed through. Everything nice. Put some more oil before installing on a car, because I've seen this taken apart, loads of them, which were already installed PowerFlexes. And what I find, they basically, this insert is all rusty and not rusty, oxidated, because this is aluminum, so it doesn't rust, but oxide builds. Oxidation is even worse because it makes the layers. And of course these bushes has a movement, rubs into the insert, and it's not a lifetime then, it's damaged. So I replaced, like, oh, my PowerFlex bush is making noise and it's like loose inside. I was like, what? It's lifetime warranty. I had never done an on mine, like replaced. It's one-time job with the length of with the span of the vehicle's life. So don't make any mistakes before installing yours or customers' expensive parts.